Hello everyone, I am Ömer from OFG Animation Studio YouTube channel. Welcome back again. I am sure you all know the Kurzgesagt YouTube channel. As you know, this YouTube channel shares video by using motion graphic videos, and it basically gives science information and the information around us. In addition, they are using those kind of illustrations in their videos. So in this video we are going to create this chicken illustration in Adobe Illustrator. It is basically a flat design illustration. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's start. As you see, I have this chicken on the stage, and let's grab the rectangle tool here on the toolbar and drag the head part of the chicken, as you see, and then grab the subselection tool and choose these dots, upper dots, and grab them to make it like an oval. Brilliant. Let's draw the body of chicken. Grab the rectangle tool and draw this part. Let's drag and create it. Excellent. Alright. Again we will do the same thing and grab the subselection tool and choose the dots and grab them as you see. Brilliant. Alright. Okay, now come here to the toolbar and grab the pen tool. We need to create some points, and let's zoom in. Create this point here. Let's grab curvature tool and put a circle here, a dot here, let's see. Okay, we need to change a little bit. Okay, grab the selection tool and select these dots. Let me select them. Alright, perfect. And put them here. I think that's enough. Alright, let's grab the curvature tool. Put this dot here because we need to have a oval part in this kitchen. As you see, I just select and grab and change their location and make some amendments. Alright, excellent, perfect. Let's choose this one as well. Alright, perfect. Again, choose the anchor point tool, changes in order to create a smooth line. Alright, that should be enough. Okay, let's see this part. Perfect. And grab all of them and put them here. We need to put body part a little bit at the bottom of this body of chicken. Alright. Again, now let's create the legs. In order to do that, let's grab the pen tool and we need to increase the stroke size, like maybe 15. Let's see, I think we need to increase it. Again, let's choose the line and increase the stroke size. Yeah, let's see, I think that can be enough. I make it a little bit longer. Click stroke and change the cap as round cap. Brilliant. Increase the size. Yeah. Perfect. Let's grab it. We need to change the color a little bit. Let's grab selection tool here and firstly let's put under the body of chicken and change the color by swapping colors. Brilliant. Let's duplicate it by holding Alt, and I created the second one. Excellent. Let's move a little bit and create a new one with pressing Alt on the keyboard, right click and transform and rotate. Let's type 90. Okay, grab the eyedropper tool and grab this orange color and increase the stroke size as 40. Yes, and caps should be oval, rounded, let's see. Okay, brilliant. We need to change a little bit the size. I think we need to decrease its size. Excellent. This is first leg. Let's put it here and Alt and second leg. Alright, perfect. Now let's choose and select the rectangle tool and create the mouth of chicken. Alright, let's create it. Excellent. And select dots, make it round and decrease the size from right corner. Okay, let's see. I think this one, this white color right now. I need to change its color, so let's choose orange color, brilliant, and drag it here. Excellent, perfect. Alright, let's put it a little bit at the bottom. Okay, let's create the eye of chicken. Grab the ellipse tool and create by holding Alt and Control. Make a circle. Change the color white. Perfect. Let's drag it here on the chicken. Let's go to the layer and put this mouth under the all layers because it needs to be at the back of the chicken. Alright, let's unlock and delete this layer, this image of chicken, and put at the center of stage. Brilliant.